Hi everyone, this is Casey, keeping it real Casey. This is my very first video, and today we are using some of the Fenty products along with some of the Makeup Forever, Charlotte Tilbury, and some of my top favorite to-goes for you guys and for me. This video really is about all the girls who've been asking me about how I do my makeup and how long it takes me and what products I use. This is actually my 9 to 5 look for work. Hope you guys enjoy. I got myself a bunch of different foundations. I got the Trio Stick, and I also got the highlighter duo in with the rose gold and the soft gold. This little feature over here with the magnets, I'm not too sure how I feel about it, but the product itself is, I have to say, pretty amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the sand. I've been using the sand for a few days now. So this is my shade for now. I'm actually just going to go ahead and apply it everywhere. Soften this whole thing out. It is super matte, but it's super amazing, very smooth. Love the texture, blends in beautifully. I have to say the color also doesn't oxidize as much as I had anticipated, but I really love it. I always go in through the neck. I'm going to show you guys the trio that I purchased, which is the concealer, contour, and the highlighter right over here. I'm going to start with the highlighter. You want to be really soft, very gentle, making sure you blend just the eye area. Don't bring too much of the highlight down. Tap, tap, tap. Keep the color in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the Fenty highlighter in Trippin', right over here. It almost acts as a blush and a highlighter together. It has a little bit of peach color. Great for olive skin tones. I'm going to use a blush brush, clean, nothing on it. You can actually even use the highlighter as a little bit of lipstick if you wanted to. I'm also going to use some of this on my eyes. The Fenty highlighter duo. So this one is Hustler Baby, and this one is Mean Money right over here. I'm going to use the Hustler Baby, which has a little bit more highlight to it. It's got a really nice pop to it. I'm going to use a little bit on the inside of my eye, right in the corner. little bit right at the top. Using the Charlotte Tilbury blush. Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner. I'm actually using the Charlotte Tilbury Quad in Golden Goddess. I'm going to go in and add a little bit more of the Fenty Duo Highlighter. I'm going to go back and use the same one right over here. And tap, tap, tap. Wow, that thing is awesome. Go in. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil. One of my favorites is the Iconic Nude. It's like the perfect nude for olive skin tones. You just want to make sure that you put the gloss just in the center, right here on the Cupid's bow. And right underneath, and just a couple of purses. No need to put any of the gloss on the sides. Keep it centered so you get that really nice pucker. Hair has two sides. You've got the top and you've got the bottom. That's how you get a really nice solid thick coat. Looking good. Mistakes are a part of life, so I got a little bit of a dot on my eye. Just pick it off. I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD HD powder. It's totally colorless, weightless, can't see it at all. Great for HD cameras. I'm just using a quick face brush. A little bit goes a long way. This has a little bit of a mattifying effect, so if you want to keep that shimmer that you just added right into the cheeks, the eyes, a little bit of the top of the lip, try to avoid those areas. Just a quick sweep all over. And there we have it. The Fenty foundation, highlighter, contour, and powder highlighter all over. Love it.